Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Dynamo Lab. In this video, we will learn 50 basic ICT questions and answers. Let's get started. What does ICT stand for? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes data. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer. What is software? Software is a collection of programs and instructions. What is the CPU? The CPU is the main processing unit of a computer. What does CPU stand for? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. What is RAM? RAM is temporary memory used while programs are running. What does RAM stand for? RAM stands for Random Access Memory. What is ROM? ROM is permanent memory that stores important instructions. What is an operating system? An operating system manages computer hardware and software. Name one operating system. Windows is a popular operating system. What is an input device? An input device is used to enter data into a computer. Name one input device. Keyboard. What is an output device? An output device displays information from a computer. Name one output device. Monitor. What is a printer? A printer produces a physical copy of digital information. What is a keyboard? A keyboard is used to enter text and commands. What is a mouse? A mouse is a pointing device used to control the cursor. What is a monitor? A monitor displays visual information from a computer. What is a file? A file is a collection of stored information. What is a folder? A folder is used to organize files. What is the internet? The internet is a global network connecting computers worldwide. What is a web browser? A web browser is software used to access websites. Name one web browser. Google Chrome is a popular web browser. What is a website? A website is a collection of related web pages. What is an email? An email is an electronic message sent over the internet. What does URL stand for? URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. What is a search engine? A search engine helps users find information online. Name one search engine. Google is a popular search engine. What is a computer network? A computer network connects computers to share information. What is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi allows devices to connect to a network wirelessly. What is a password? A password helps protect accounts and information. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity protects computers and data from digital threats. What is a virus? A computer virus is a harmful program that can damage a system. What is antivirus software? Antivirus software helps detect and remove harmful programs. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing provides online access to data and computing services. What is a database? A database is an organized collection of data. What is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet organizes data into rows and columns. What is Microsoft Word used for? Microsoft Word is used to create and edit documents. What is Microsoft Excel used for? Microsoft Excel is used for calculation and data analysis. What is Microsoft PowerPoint used for? Microsoft PowerPoint is used to create presentations. What does USB stand for? USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. What is a USB flash drive? A USB flash drive is a portable device used to store data. What is an IP address? An IP address identifies a device on a network. What is a firewall? A firewall helps protect a network from unauthorized access. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence enables machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. What is data? Data is raw information that can be processed. What is information? Information is processed data that has meaning. What is backup? A backup is a copy of data kept for recovery. What is the importance of ICT? ICT helps people communicate, learn, work, and share information efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you found these ICT questions and answers helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more ICT and computer knowledge videos. See you in the next video.